Hello everyone, my name is Dhani. I hope you recognize me just because I just changed the hairstyle. As you already know, these days in Tarai region, it's scorching outside, summertime. So I thought maybe I should give some remedy to my processor. Right? Brain is just like processor, right? So if the processor is not working properly, all other parts will not work properly, right? And teaching is a what you call it a crucial job, right? If you are not able to understand students properly, then you are playing with their future, right? Isn't it? Okay, so let's not waste time. So today I am here for the students of class 8th and class 10th, as their boards is coming, right? So today is 30th, I believe. On 2nd of next month, I think you guys class 8th have the examination of your English paper, right? So I'm gonna tell you what all will come in your exam, not the question paper. Obviously, I don't know that. I will tell you what all topic will be covered in your examination and what all topic you need to focus upon. All right. So let's not waste more time and let's quickly get into the board. All right. So the total marks would be of 75 as your 25 marks is given for your practical, right? So it would be divided into three groups: Group A, Group B, and Group C. All right. So in Group A, it would be a grammar portion. All right. So they will focus more upon grammar. And if you check your all last 10 years model test papers, so you will see a similar pattern. So in Group A, it's a grammar portion. So first question would be of grammar, which will include your articles, your preposition, conjunctions, tag, and pronoun. So there would be 5 questions, 1 marks each, and it will cover all these options. All right. And second question would be of 3 marks, which will ask you about it will come like change the following sentences as directed in the bracket. So first one will be active to passive or passive to active. Second one would be direct to indirect or indirect to direct, and third one would be, it can be of transformation or it can come from WH question. There will be 2 sentence given, and then you have to join that sentence and then frame a single sentence for that. All right. So it will be of 3 marks. So now 8 marks is covered. So third question would be fill in the blanks with the option. So there will be some option, 2 or 3 option given in the bracket, and there would be 2 fill in the blanks, when from the options you need to pick one and put that in that blank. So it would be of 2 marks. So the total marks it would be of 10 marks. So Group A will include the grammar portion. Now let's talk about Group B. This is very important and you can earn maximum marks in Group B because it covers unseen passage. So there would be 4 questions. So sorry, 4 unseen passage, 10 marks each, and that 10 marks will be divided into 3 parts. First one would be similar or opposite words you need to find out from the passage. So there will be passage given. So they will ask you find out the similar word which gives the similar meaning or a meaning close to this word. And then second option would be find out the word which is opposite to the given word. So that will be covered in the first part. Second part will ask you, it will be either match the following, or there will be a fill in the blanks when you need to fill according to, after reading the passage, according to the passage. Third one would be a question and answers. They will ask you some questions from the passage. All right. So what idea or what suggestion I can give you in the passage is that whenever you are writing any answer, don't pick the same sentence as it is written in a passage and try to copy it. Try to frame it in your own words and make it into simpler form and then write it. You will gain more marks. All right. So this will cover your Group B, and there will be 4 unseen passages that will be given to you, 10 marks each. All right. So read it. It's a very easy portion, right? Group B. So try to read the passage carefully, and so whenever you are reading a passage, in order to make it easier, use a pencil. Try to underline the words which you are not able to understand. Try to convert that word into a simpler form. And when I was a student, what I used to do is that I used to first of all focus upon questions, and then according to question I used to find the answer. So that was the shortcut I used to use, and I used to gain more marks in that. So you can use that formula as well. So it works for someone, but it doesn't work for everyone, right? So you can try that as well if you have, if you have time, right? So now group B is covered, so it would be of 40 marks. So 4 passage, 10 marks each, 40 marks. Now the last portion is group C. That will consist of, first question would be of dialogue writing. So there will be dialogue given to you, 5 dialogues, and there will be option given to you. Option means there will be there would be a box, and at the top or at the bottom, from there you have to pick the dialogue and then put that into a blank, in the dialogue box. All right, so you can it is also very easy option. You can just try to read that properly, try to understand what the dialogue is trying to, what is the topic they are talking about, two people are talking about, and then fill that out. All right, so it would cover 5 marks. Then there would be story writing with the clues. Story writing with the clues means there will be a story, and let's say for an example, once upon a time dot 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 there was an owl dot 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 dot, and something like that, right? So there will be clues given. So the suggestion which I want to give for the story writing is include all the points which are there in the clues, otherwise you will lose marks. All right, so include everything. Try to make it attractive story according to the clues, and don't make more of a grammar mistake over here, because if you are doing more mistakes, so you will lose marks. All right, and then you will be left out with the essay and the letter writing. So both will be divided into 15 marks. There will be one essay and there will be one letter writing. So in letter writing, more of, as I have seen the model test paper of last 10 years, so they have given more of a personal letter, informal letter. So I'm sure maybe informal letter would come in your exam, but don't go with my words. Please focus on the formal letters as well. So if you want to know more about letter writing, you can also watch my video which I have made for the letter writing. I will just put that link in the description box. You can just go through that as well if you have time. And then in essay writing also I have one video on under essay writing. Again, I will put that in description. You can go through that. It's it's not more than 5 or 10 minutes, so you can invest a little bit time for your study. You are studying as well virtually, right? So you can do that. So this will cover your 75 marks. So this is all we have today. So I wish you all the best for your examination, and as your in Nepal as New Year is coming, so wishing you a happy New Year. You have a prosperous New Year, and enjoy a lot. And see, you have studied already, right? Whole year you have studied. Now don't try to take any, what you call it, attention, right? Or don't rush, or don't try to be calm. Don't wake up too late at the night. Take a good sleep. If you want to study, make a timetable a little bit. What you can do is that, as you have 2 days left, today and tomorrow, so today you can focus upon grammar option, and tomorrow you can go with the group B and group C. All right, thank you so much. We'll meet again soon with the new topic. Bye bye.